What's up, guys? We're gonna start this video from the basement, and what we're gonna do today, I got my blower, which is not a turbo and is not anything in the engine. Is my blower of the hot air and cold air. It's broken. I'm gonna show you how I test it. I'm gonna order one. Paid around $39 on Amazon. We're gonna put the link down here. Power supply here from the wall. Yep, see? But if I give a little push, look, now it goes, and it's not very fast either. So I have the full 12 volts here. This should be working way faster than this. Alright, so I got a part. This is the truck I'm replacing it at. It's a Dodge Ram 2500 2008, and this is it here. Of course I took it out before starting this video, but this is how it looks like, and only has 3 bolts on the back. There's 3 in here, and there you go, 3 in here. So it's exactly the same. And a simple way to test this is you get the connection there, right? We're gonna plug, and I'm gonna turn the heater on. As you see, I had a little heater here. Doesn't work quite well, but you know, we need that thing. So this is the new one. We just connect here really quick, and it's just a simple connector. Go like this, look, there you go, see it spinning? So with this plugged in, there you go. Let me plug it properly. There you go. It seems like the lip is on the inside. Yep, and there you go. We're gonna use a T25, seems to be a Torx, and we're just gonna do it. Alright, so now we're gonna check. Oh yes, look at that, it's working. I don't know if you can hear, if you can tell, but yeah, that's perfect. And one little comment is, when you take this out, usually it won't spin at all. Sometimes it will spin very slowly. On my case, it was dead in here. I could turn any speed and it wouldn't do anything. Once I took it out and probably gave some hits on the engine, like putting on the table and all that stuff, it was working back again. But you know, that's something that on the snow and cold weather, you don't want to depend on it. It's a $35 part, very easy to replace. Took me 15 minutes total, you know, and probably mechanics are going to charge you more because they need to provide you know, charge for their labor, for their hour, for the part. If the part breaks, you gotta come back in there, they're gonna give you a free one. So there's way more involved than only doing what I just did. It's way worth for you to do this. It's very inexpensive and easy. I hope this helps you. I have brakes on the G37, which is sitting right here, which is going to be next. But for now, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for watching my videos. That's been helping me a lot. And see you now. Thank you guys for subscribing, for watching my videos. It's been helping me a lot. And I'll see you in the next video.